Are you prepared for an emergency situation? Today we're diving into the essential gear you need to pack when bugging out. We'll be covering everything from portable water filtration systems to personal defense items. This is not just a list, but a lifeline. Each item plays a vital role in your survival and comfort during unpredictable circumstances. Whether you're facing a natural disaster or societal collapse, having the right supplies can mean the difference between survival and struggle. First up, a portable water filtration system. In the face of uncertainty, one thing remains clear: the absolute necessity of clean water. We're made of about 60% water after all, but in a bug-out situation, traditional sources may be compromised or unavailable. That's where a portable water filtration system comes into play. These compact lifesavers work by physically straining out microscopic threats, including bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics. Some systems even incorporate activated carbon to reduce harmful chemicals and improve taste. So whether you're drawing from a crystal-clear mountain stream or a questionable urban puddle, a portable filtration system has you covered. It's like having your own personal water treatment plant, right in your backpack. And the best part? These systems are small, lightweight, and easy to use. A portable filtration system allows you to purify water from streams, lakes, or even questionable sources, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy. Next on the list is a compact shelter. Now you might be thinking, why is a shelter so important? Well, imagine being caught in a downpour or facing a freezing night without any protection. Not a pleasant thought, is it? A compact shelter is your first line of defense against Mother Nature's whims. It protects you from the elements, be it rain, wind, or extreme temperatures. This could be a lightweight tent that's easy to carry and quick to set up. Or perhaps a tarp, a versatile piece of gear that can be rigged up in numerous ways to provide cover. Another option is a bivy sack, a small lightweight shelter that's perfect for solo travelers. It's essentially a waterproof sleeping bag that offers a snug, protective cocoon against the elements. So remember, no matter your choice, having a shelter to protect you from the elements is essential, shielding you from rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. Fire is not only a source of warmth, but also a means of cooking food, purifying water, and signaling for help. It's one of the oldest survival tools known to humankind, a beacon of safety in the wilderness and an essential element to our survival. Imagine being in a situation where you're stranded in the midst of a chilling winter night or a wet, rainy forest, the cold seeping into your bones, the dampness creeping into your clothes. The need for a fire becomes not just a want, but a necessity. That's where a fire-starting kit comes into play. This isn't just a box of matches we're talking about. A good fire-starting kit should include waterproof matches, a reliable lighter, and fire starters. These fire starters can be anything from dry, resin-rich wood chips to compact fuel tabs. Having these items ensures you can easily start a fire, even when Mother Nature decides to throw a curveball. No matter the weather, no matter the conditions, you'll be able to create a source of warmth and security. A fire-starting kit, including waterproof matches, a lighter, and fire starters, ensures you can easily start a fire even in challenging conditions. A comprehensive first aid kit is a must-have in any bug-out bag. This isn't just a box filled with band-aids and painkillers, it's a lifeline. A well-stocked first aid kit can help you address and treat injuries before they escalate into severe problems. Imagine you're in the wilderness, miles from civilization, and you get a deep cut or a nasty burn. Without proper care, these injuries can lead to infections, severe pain, and could potentially be life-threatening. That's where your first aid kit comes into play. Your kit should be equipped with a variety of items to handle different types of injuries. Bandages and gauze for wounds, tweezers for splinters or ticks, antiseptic wipes to clean injuries, and pain relievers for discomfort. Don't forget any prescription medications you may need as well. Having medical supplies on hand can be life-saving. Make sure your kit includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you may need. A multi-tool is like having a toolbox in the palm of your hand. This handy gadget is a powerhouse of functionality, packed into a compact portable form. Whether you need to cut rope, open a can, tighten a screw, or pull out a stubborn nail, a multi-tool has got your back. It's the Swiss Army knife of survival gear, a true lifesaver in a pinch. And the best part? It barely takes up any space in your bug-out bag. With one compact device, you have access to knives, pliers, screwdrivers, and more. During a bug-out scenario, you need food that's lightweight, compact, and calorie-dense. It's not about gourmet dining, it's about survival. about fueling your body to keep pushing forward. High-calorie food rations are designed for just that. They're compact, easy to carry, and packed with the nutrients you need. There are several options when it comes to high-calorie food rations. Energy bars, for instance, are a great choice. They're small, require no preparation, and can give you a quick energy boost when you need it most. Then we have MREs, or meals ready to eat. These are complete meals that can be eaten hot or cold, and they come in a variety of flavors. They're a bit bulkier, but they provide a more substantial meal, which can be a real morale booster in a survival situation. Finally, there are freeze-dried meals. These are lightweight, have a long shelf life, and all they require is a bit of hot water to prepare. They can provide a hot, satisfying meal, which can be invaluable in a bug-out situation. High-calorie food rations, such as energy bars, MREs, or freeze-dried meals, provide the energy you need to keep moving. Communication is key during an emergency, but cell phones and other electronic devices may not be reliable. Imagine being stranded in the wilderness or in the midst of a citywide blackout without a means of reaching out for help or receiving vital updates. That's where emergency communication devices come into play. These devices, often compact and portable, can significantly increase your chances of survival in a crisis. For instance, a two-way radio allows you to connect with others in your vicinity, exchange information, and even call for assistance. They're often designed to withstand harsh conditions and have a long battery life, making them ideal for a bug-out scenario. Satellite phones, on the other hand, provide a broader range of communication. They connect directly to satellites, bypassing terrestrial networks that may be compromised during a disaster. Remember, being prepared isn't just about having the right gear, it's about being able to use it effectively. An emergency communication device, such as a two-way radio or a satellite phone, ensures you can stay in touch with the outside world. Finally, don't forget to pack important documents, cash, and personal defense items. Your identification, insurance papers, and emergency contact information are vital. Keeping these items safe in a waterproof container alongside some cash in small denominations is a wise move, considering ATMs and banks may not be accessible during a crisis. Personal defense items also play a crucial role in providing peace of mind. Anything from pepper spray to a tactical flashlight or even a firearm can prove to be essential in certain scenarios. Remember, your safety is paramount. To quickly recap what we've covered in this episode, we've discussed the importance of a portable water filtration system. Clean water is life, and having the ability to purify water from various sources can make a world of difference in a bug-out situation. We've also highlighted the need for a compact shelter for protection against harsh weather conditions. A fire-starting kit is another must-have, providing not only warmth but also a way to cook food and purify water. A comprehensive first aid kit is non-negotiable. It's vital to have medical supplies on hand, including bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. A MultiTool, as we've mentioned, is like having a toolbox in your hand, and high-calorie food rations can provide the energy you need in a demanding situation. Never underestimate the importance of an emergency communication device and reliable navigation tools. These can be lifesavers when you're navigating unfamiliar terrain. Hygiene supplies are often overlooked, but maintaining cleanliness can help prevent illnesses. And let's not forget about protective clothing and gear to shield you from environmental hazards. Remember, preparation is key. It's not just about surviving, but thriving in a bug-out situation. Equip yourself with the right gear and knowledge, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you on the next one.